Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to actually answer a question that I actually got in one of my comments. And the question is, do you suggest any other secure credit card if you're unable to get the secure credit card with Navy Fed, which is an N rewards? And I told you guys about that. So if you guys are able to get that secure credit card with Navy Fed, that'll be perfect. Because all you have to do is just put $200 down on that credit card. And then after 6 months, they should increase your credit limit to $2,000 and then get your $200 back. But not everybody is able to get approved for that. So I seen somebody else leave a comment about the Discover It secure credit card, and I also do agree with the comment that you should try to get the Discover It secure credit card. So let's go ahead and go over this credit card. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And don't forget, you have other secure credit cards that you can get, but I really suggest this one because you get cashback options, which is really good. And if you do balance transfer, it's not at 0%, but it's at a 10% rate. It's so many perks. So let's go into everything now. So this is the Discover It secure credit card. Now, if you want to try to get this credit card, you can check now without them checking your credit to see if they can even pre-approve you for this credit card. And usually if they give you a pre-approval, they're going to honor it. So usually they're going to say, congratulations, you're pre-approved for this credit card. And you can apply right then and there, and you'll have to put your deposit down. So for those people that don't know what a secure credit card is, secure credit card means that you have to put a deposit down, and that's what's going to be your limit. So you can go all the way up to $2,500 with this credit card. And when you put the $2,500 down, in 8 months, they're going to review your account and see if they can actually give you your money back and keep that $2,500 limit there. But that's in 8 months. So make sure you guys are paying on time. So with this credit card, you're not going to have any annual fee. They are going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, which is great. You want to make sure that any credit card that you're getting, that they're going to report to the credit bureaus, especially if you're looking to build your credit. If you're not looking to build your credit and you kind of don't want to have that debt on your credit and they don't report, it's perfect. But a lot of people, they apply for these credit cards because they want to build their credit. There's no point in getting a secure credit card, putting money down if they're not going to report. But it's no annual fee. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. Again, you can start off with $200. You can put $200 down as your deposit, or you can go all the way up to $2,500 down. And remember, whatever you put down as your deposit, so if you put $500 down, that's how much your limit is going to be. So if you put $500 down, that's $500 limit. You put $1,000, $1,000 limit. And if you cancel your account, say if you was to cancel the credit card, like I don't want the credit card anymore, they're going to give you your money back at that time. Or like I said, 2 and 8 months, if you had some good payment history with them, you have been maxing out the credit card, or you haven't been keeping a high balance on that credit card and not paying it back or having late payments, they should go ahead and upgrade your account. So make sure that you guys are paying your bill off every month. I always tell you guys to don't spend more than 5% of your credit card, or if you do, make sure you pay it back before your statement date. And again, this is just basically telling you guys about after 8 months, we will be in an automatic monthly account review to see if you qualify to convert to a standard unsecured card and get your deposit back. So that's in 8 months. Now, I told you guys about the end rewards. That's in 6 months. But everybody can't get that. So if you haven't even tried, try to see if you can get that credit card. So that is a good option. I really suggest that one. Now, when it comes down to the Discover Secure credit card, you guys will get 2% cash back at gas station and restaurants, up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. So that means that those people that may be using cash at the gas station, you may want to just use your Discover It because you're going to get the cash back at 2%. But that's up to $1,000. If you guys are going out to restaurants because you eat out a lot of people eat out a lot, then I suggest that you guys use your Discover It secure credit card so that you guys can get that cash back. That cash back will add up quickly, especially if you're using your credit card often. You guys are going to get unlimited 1% cash back on all of your other purchases automatically, which is good too. So if you guys are not getting any cash back, then you guys really need to look into finding a credit card that can give you cash back. Put all your purchases on your credit card and then pay off your credit card. Another thing too, you guys are going to get the 2X. They're going to do the 2 times. They're going to match whatever you get in cash back. They're going to match that for your first year or your first 365 days, whichever one is longer. So that's good. So say if you guys were actually using this credit card for only your gas and restaurants, right? Because you just want to build your credit. If you guys were to get $100, they're going to actually double that and give you another $100. So that means you're going to actually have $200 in cash back. But I believe that they're actually going to give you that at the end of the year. But you guys still have that available. So they have a few questions here. So let's look at a few of these. What is APR? Well, let's actually go into what is their APR instead of saying what is APR. Their APR is 22.99%. But like I said, too, they have it on here where if you guys were to do a balance transfer, you'll be at 10% balance transfer. So you're going to have 10% for 6 months. So if you guys want to transfer a balance, say if you have another credit card, another secure credit card, maybe you don't like that secure credit card, you're not getting any points on it, or whatever the case may be, you can transfer your balance to this new credit card, especially if it's at a 22% rate or a 24% rate. You can transfer that balance and start out at 10% for 6 months. So for those people that need to pay off certain things, this would be really great for you guys. And don't forget, they're going to upgrade your account in a month. Just make sure you guys are paying your bills on time and keeping your balance low. And when you pay things with credit cards, don't forget you guys get the $0 fraud liability guarantee. So if you guys have any unauthorized transactions on your Discover credit card, all you guys have to do is just report them, and then you guys will be able to get your money back for that if they're fraud. And you guys are able to freeze your credit card too. So if you misplace your credit card, you can freeze your account on your mobile app. I know Wells Fargo have that feature where you can actually freeze your debit cards. So if you guys say if you misplace it for a second, you just don't know where it's at. Maybe you gave it to somebody. I don't know what the case may be, but you can go ahead and freeze your credit card. So that way you don't have to cancel it just yet, because you know how long it may take for you to get another credit card. You don't have to cancel it, but you'll be able to freeze it. And don't forget, you'll be able to view your FICO score for free. But don't forget, I always tell you guys, you can always go to Identity IQ, get your credit reports for just $1 to start off. And then you can have all three of your credit reports and scores there too, if you guys are very interested in looking at your credit score. And say if you like, Rickita, my credit's not that bad. Can I get a regular credit card? You can see if you're pre-approved for a regular credit card too with no deposit. You don't have to get a secure credit card. This is just for those people that's trying to get a credit card and they're unable to get a credit card. I suggest that you guys just go ahead and get the Discover It credit card so that you guys can start having a card report to the credit bureaus on your behalf, and then your credit score should go up. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I'm definitely here for you guys. And let me know in the comments if you guys are what credit cards, secure credit cards, you guys got approved for, if you guys got approved for this credit card. And let me know too where your credit score is at, so that others can know, okay, my credit score is kind of near yours. I probably can get approved for that credit card too. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt, so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.